If you look to the skies, they might appear a little different lately. As more and more drones enter the national airspace, we recognize the need to safely and seamlessly integrate these exciting new entrants. The FAA, along with industry partners, are already collaborating on ways to support unmanned aircraft systems. UAS Traffic Management, or UTM, enables the FAA to work with industry and drone operators to manage low-altitude drone operations. UTM Field Test is a collaborative project established to validate new UTM standards through various UAS flight scenarios. Recently, we completed the UTM Field Test in the real world. Across the blue skies of New York and Virginia, the future of UAS operations took flight. There, the FAA worked with industry partners to test a number of use cases, executing flight tests of varying complexity, validating standards, and maturing UTM technologies and services. By testing how well industry technology works in the real world and showcasing how the FAA can interface with industry for UTM technologies, these tests give policymakers an idea of how to structure future oversight. And while the ultimate responsibility for the safety of daily operations is expected to remain with the operator, UTM technology enables a more streamlined system, especially for operators planning flights beyond visual line of sight. Through these activities, the UTM Field Test will assist in maturing technologies, validating standards, and laying the groundwork for safe and scalable UAS traffic management. The results of the flight tests in New York and Virginia, combined with future research, will pave the way for the safest and most efficient means to incorporate these new entrants into the national airspace system. Join us as we look to the skies and watch the UTM Field Test project take UTM to new heights.